महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
सिद्धि विनायक श्री गजानना ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭಾ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ. ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಘ ದೂರನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಘ ದೂರನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಶರಣು ಶಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಶಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಶಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಶಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಿತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಿತ್ರನೇ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಮೂಷಿಕಾಸನ ಶೇಷಭೂಷಣ ಮೂಷಿಕಾಸನ ಶೇಷಭೂಷಣ ಅಶೇಷ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಮೂಷಿಕಾಸನ ಶೇಷಭೂಷಣ ಅಶೇಷ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ದಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ದಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲೇಶನ ದಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲೇಶನ ಈಶ ಗುಣಗಳ ಹೊಗಳುವೆ ಈಶ ಗುಣಗಳ ಹೊಗಳುವೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಘ ದೂರನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ
Namaskaram and a very good morning to all the Rasikas present here. I welcome you all to this auspicious event of Arangetram, where the dancer performs the entire margam of Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form of Tamil Nadu, is prevalent in India for more than 2000 years now. The word Bharatanatyam consists of Bha, Ra, and Ta, where Bha means Bhava, Ra means Raga, and Ta means Tala, and Natyam means dance. Bharatanatyam is originally a temple dance form performed by Devadasis in the temple in praise of the presiding deities. But today, Bharatanatyam has come out of the temple borders to the commercial stage and is performed worldwide. Arangetram, a Sanskrit word that literally translates to ascending the stage. In the world of Bharatanatyam, it refers to the debut performance of a dancer marking the completion of their training and beginning of the career as a professional dancer. A little something about Fine Arts Academy. The Fine Arts Academy of Music and Dance was started in 1972 with just one teacher and one student. This has grown now multifold and boasts over 1,000 students today, covering 10 disciplines and with a faculty of 42 teachers. Apart from the regular classes of vocal and instrumental music, in Carnatic and Hindustani streams, the school organizes short-term workshops on special interest subjects catering to significant and growing number of learners. We teach local, vocal, violin, mridangam, flute in Carnatic style and vocal, harmonium, tabla in Hindustani style, and Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam in dance styles. 7-year course in Bharatanatyam dance from Nalanda Dance Research Center, officially recognized as a research institute by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, and as a category 1 institution by Department of Culture, Government of India. We are very grateful and honored to have with us our esteemed chief guests for today's event, Dr. Chandra Vishwanathan, Chairperson of Fine Arts, and Ganesh sir.
And Radhika ma'am also. Radhika ma'am also. Yes, yes.
And also Srimati Radhika Anantakumar, President of Fine Arts. I welcome you all to this beautiful morning of Arangetram and request you to come to the stage for offering flowers at the feet of Lord Nataraja. A round of applause, please. I now request Sonali ma'am to honor our chief guest with a token of love and gratitude. I now request our esteemed chief guest to say a few words of encouragement.
Good morning, everybody. I'm very glad to have been invited as a chief guest for this Arangetram of our own student, Bharati Shetty of the Fine Arts Academy of Music and Dance. We are very proud that she has reached this stage today under the able mentorship of Sonali Tambeji, one of our very able faculty members. I wish both the guru and the student all the best, not only for today's performance, but to continue the dancing and to reach greater heights. Thank you.
Well, good morning, all of you. Radhika ji has already said those words that I wanted to say, so I don't want to take away more time. We are coming here to enjoy this function. We're extremely proud and privileged to be part of this Arangetram program. And this is only the beginning of a great career ahead of our student Shetty under the able tutorship of Miss Sonali. And Sonali is always ever smiling and ever ready to, offer her best. And with such very vibrant teachers, our academy is also shining because we want to see our students, not one student, we want to see many under her to do not one Arangetram and also come up in, as we all expect, to be a great dancer, to do many more things and see that her fame and name is known to all of us. And the more important thing is I want to compliment the parents of Shetty today because it is their parents, it is the contribution and the hard work that they have done. They have contributed so much to seeing her come to this stage of being able to be, coming up on stage. So it's not for nothing they say that it is the entire family that is involved when a career is getting shaped up. So I compliment the family who has done so much and we wish her every luck in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are starting today's recital with Ganesha Pancharatnam, a dance in reverence of Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles. From him, the dancer asks for a sound performance. Ganesha Pancharatnam, set to Raga Malika, Talam Adi in Tishra Nadai.
करतमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदैभदैत्यकं नताशुपाशुना तरतिभीकरं नवोदितर्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्झरं नताधिकापदूर्धरं न ते तरतिभीकरं नवोदितर्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्झरं नताधिकापदूर्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं नमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् सुरेश्वरं निरीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् पनि सरि सनि पम पनि सा नि पम रे रि सा रि रि सनि पम पनि सा नि पनि पम रे म रि सा महागणेश पञ्चरत्न आदरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरं महागणेश पञ्चरत्न आदरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगताम् अदोषताम् सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायु अष्टभूति अभ्युपैति सोचिरात् अरोगताम् अदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायु अष्टभूति अभ्युपैति सोचिरात् अभ्युपैति
A wonderful start to today's recital. Next, we present before you Todai Mangalam. This is also an invocatory item where the dancer seeks blessings of the Lord, Guru, musical accompanist, and the audience. Todai Mangalam, set to Ragam Nattai, Talam, Adi.
तां धीं द्रिगुडतक 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 तणंगुतक दिकुतक तदिंगिण तत्तोडक तां 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 धीं धीं तत्तोडंग तत्तुक्का तै तत्तोडक तां 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 धीं धीं तत्तोडक तत्तुक्का
Arangetram. However small or great the artist is, we still need lots of appreciation from you in the form of round applause to keep encouraging the artist to do and dance better. Next, we present before you Alaripu. The term Alaripu means flower bud. As the flower bud goes on blooming, so does the dancer in Alaripu. It consists of 3 layers, Vilambita, Madhya and Dhruta, that is, slow, medium and fast. Alaripu can be performed in all Panchajatis. Today's Alaripu is particularly in Tishra Jati, Rupakatalam.
ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ರಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ಧಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಡುತ್ತೋ ತೈ ಇಡೈಯುಂ ತತ್ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕದ ತೈ ತೈಯುಂ ತತ್ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾಂ ದತ್ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತೈ ತತ್ ತೈ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾಂ ದತ್ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತೈ ತತ್ ತೈ
After this presentation of beautiful Alaripu, we next present before you Jatiswaram. Jatiswaram is a pure nritta item, that means it does not have any expressions. It starts with a jati, following with pallavi, anupallavi, and then ending with charnam. Jatiswaram, set to ragam kalyani, talam rupakam.
sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni ri sa ni re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa dha ma ga re ni re ga sa
Next, we present before you Varnam. Varnam is the most important and central composition of the Margam. It is very intricate and elaborate. It comprises of two halves Purvanga, the first half, and Uttaranga, the second half. It showcases the true skills and expertise of the dancer, as it includes both Nritta and Nritya, that is, dance and expressions. This particular Varnam is in praise of the three main goddesses of Hindu mythology, Shri Rajrajeshwari, that is, Goddess Parvati, Shri Lakshmi, and Saraswati. Varnam set to Ragam, Rajani, Talam, Adi. Presenting before you, Varnam.
Ranjani, Ranjani, Devi, Devi, Gauri, Gauri. Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini, Brahmanda Palini. Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini, Brahmanda Palini. Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini, Brahmanda Palini. Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini.
தடலாம் குத்தக்கத்தி குதக்கத்த திங்கிண்ணத்தோம் தா ரி த ரி த தி ஹிண த க ந க சம் தச்சம் த க ரி த ரி த தி ஹிண த க ந க சம் தச்சம் தா ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண ரக்க ணக்க சம் தச்சம் தத்த ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண ரக்க ணக்க சம் தச்சம் தா ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண ரக்க ணக்க சம் தச்சம் தத்த ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண ரக்க ணக்க சம் தச்சம் தா ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண தக்க ணக்க சம் சம் தத்த ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண தக்க ணக்க சம் சம் தா ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண தக்க ணக்க சம் சம் தத்த ரித்த ரித்த கிண்ண தக்க ணக்க சம் சம் தா ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தா தத்த ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தை தா ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தத்த ரித்த கிண்ண சம் த ரித்தா கிடதக தரிக்கிடதோம் தா ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தத்த ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தத் ரித்தா கிடதக தரிக்கிடதோம் தா ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தத்த ரித்த கிண்ண சம் தத் ரித்தா கிடதக தரிக்கிடதோம்
Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini, Brahmanda Palini. Ranjani, Mahishasuramardini, Trishulini, महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनि ब्रह्माण्डपालिनि रञ्जनी ब्रह्माण्डपालिनी रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनि ब्रह्माण्डपालिनि रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनि ब्रह्माण्डपालिनि रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनि ब्रह्माण्डपालिनि रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनि
ತಳ್ಳಂ ಕುತಕ್ಕದಿ ಕುದಕ್ಕತ ತಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ ದೀಣು ತತತ್ತಿಮಿತಾ ತಚಂ ತರಿತಾ ತಚಂ ತರಿತೈ ಕಿಣಂ ತರಿತಿ ತತತ್ತಿಮಿತಾ ತಚಂ ತರಿತಾ ತಚಂ ತರಿತೈ ಕಿಣಂ ತರಿದೀಣು ತತತ್ತಿಮಿರಾ ತಚಂ ತರಿದೀಣು ತತತ್ತಿಮಿ ಗಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕದರಿ ಗಿಟ್ಟರ ಕಿಡದಗ ದರಿಕಿಡ್ತೋ ಕಿಡದಗ ದರಿಕಿಡ್ತೋ ಕಿಡದಗ ದರಿಕಿಡ್ತೋ
वागीश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी शङ्करी नटन मनोहरि ईश्वरि गौरी वागीश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी शङ्करी नटन मनोहरि ईश्वरि गौरी वागीश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी शङ्करी नटन मनोहरि ईश्वरि गौरी वागीश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी शङ्करी शङ्करी गौरी शङ्करी गौरी वागीश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी शङ्करी नटन रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनी त्रिशूलिनी ब्रह्माण्डपालिनी सरसिजलोचनि कामितदायिनि ब्रह्मविष्णु शिवशक्ति स्वरूपिणि सरसिजलोचनि कामितदायिनि ब्रह्मविष्णु शिवशक्ति स्वरूपिणि शिवप्रिय शाम्भवी सकलन पुरये गजमुखन शैमुखन प्रियजननि रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनी ब्रह्माण्डपालिनी सरसिजलोचनि कामितदायिनि ब्रह्मविष्णु शिवशक्ति स्वरूपिणि शिवप्रिय शाम्भवी सकलन पुरये गजमुखन शैमुखन प्रियजननि रञ्जनी महिषासुरमर्दिनि त्रिशूलिनी ब्रह्माण्डपालिनी रञ्जनी 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 सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी श्रीचक्रनिवासिनी सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी
ಕಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ದಿಕ್ ಕಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ಹತ್ತು ಜಂಕರಿ ದಿಕ್ ಕಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಾ ಹತ್ತು ಜಂಕರಿ ತಕ್ಕ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತೋಂ ಛಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತರ್ಕಿಡ ತೋಂ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತರ್ಕಿಡ ತೋಂ ತಳ್ಳಾಂಕು ತರ್ಕಿಡ ತೋಂ
सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी श्रीचक्रनिवासिनी सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी श्रीचक्रनिवासिनी सिंहवाहिनी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी
After this powerful presentation of Devi Varnam, we now take a short break of 10 minutes. Refreshments like tea and coffee are available outside the auditorium. Please enjoy and come back in time for our following program. As we need to start the following program, I kindly request everybody to be seated and silent. We now begin the felicitation program. I now take the opportunity to introduce you with our amazing Vadya Vrinda. A dancer is totally incomplete without them. They are the true soul for a performance. Let's take a moment and appreciate all of them with a round of applause. Our vocalist for today, Miss Kirtana Krishnamurthy. Kirtana Krishnamurthy, born in a family practicing music, has learned Indian classical music since age of 2. The fact of all her achievements as an upcoming musician lies in the strong foundation created by her grandfather, Sri P.K. Subramaniam, and her parents, Srimati Mangalam and Sri P.S. Krishnamurthy. She has performed for various classical dance programs. She also composes music for dance recitals and trains young children in basics of music. She has completed MA in clinical psychology and aspires to combine her knowledge of music and psychology to help people. I now request Hema ma'am, Manager Committee, Member of Manager Committee of Fine Arts, and Venkat sir to please come on the dais to felicitate our Vadya Vrinda, Ms. Kirtana Krishnamurthy. Okay. So please wait. Our Mridangist, Shri Prajesh C. Nair. Prajesh C. Nair is an upcoming talented percussionist from Mumbai and has completed the 7-year Mridangam course in Shanmukhananda Fine Arts and Sangeeta Vidyalaya under the skillful tutelage of his guru Shri Vaikom S. Gopakumar. He is now further learning the core of Mridangam and Kanjira. He has completed the foundation course 2 in Bharatanatyam from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya and recently bagged the prestigious Bharata Ratna M.S. Subbalakshmi Fellowship from Sri Shanmukhananda Sangeeta Sabha, Mumbai. Prajesh has learned and also performs Kathakali. Our violinist for today, Sau Mangala Vaidyanathan, a leading violinist in Mumbai, daughter and student of Vidwan Ganabhushanam, Shri P. Vaidyanathan Bhagavatar. She started training vocal music under her illustrious father at the tender age of 5. Participated in many competitions and won many prizes in vocal as well as violin. She has accompanied on violin leading artists for concerts. She has accompanied for Sangeeta Upanayasam. She is a graded artist of All India Radio and she is awarded with the title of Shanmukha Sangeeta Mani. Our flutist for today, Kumar Krishnan sir is a versatile and self-trained artist. He plays flute, harmonium, keyboard, and sings for bhajans and dance programs. He has been awarded as Kala Ratna. He has been felicitated by S. Venkatraman sir, Vice President, Managing Committee of the Fine Arts Society, Chembur. Now, I would like to thank our makeup artist for today, Srimati Trusha Panchal Pandit, for decking up Miss Bharati Shetty so beautifully. Now introducing the showstopper for today, Miss Bharati Shetty. Bharati, a dynamic individual, has traversed a diverse professional landscape, leaving an indelible mark of positivity on all she encounters. With a background spanning operations to business relations in both top MNCs and Indian firms, her journey is as varied as it is impressive. Beyond the boardroom, Bharati's spirit finds expression in her passion for marathons, trekking, travel, reading books, and fitness. She is a fun-loving, mature, and humble person. Her love for dance kindled in her youth found formal expression in Bharatanatyam at the age of 33 under the able tutelage of Guru Miss Sonali Tambe. Juggling the roles of a professional dancer, daughter, sister, and friend over past 7 years, Bharati's enthusiasm and the support of those around her have been the cornerstone for her journey. Her dedication to Bharatanatyam not only fuels her artistic expression, but also fosters a sense of focus and perseverance in all aspects of her life, propelling her towards her goals with unwavering determination. I request Guru Sonali Tambe to felicitate Miss Bharati Shetty. A Shishya is nothing without a Guru. It is the Guru who enlightens our path and removes all the darkness. Miss Bharati is fortunate enough to have Guru Sonali Tambe guiding her through this wonderful journey. Sonali, from a very small age, developed an interest in dancing. Her inception into rhythmic world of dance started at a tender age of 9 when she took her first steps in Bharatanatyam under Guru P.R.C. Nair. She has completed her Bharatanatyam course and did Arangetram under her sir. After her schooling, she joined Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya for her professional education. She completed degree and masters in performing arts, specializing in Bharatanatyam under the able guidance and mentorship of Guru Srimati Kanakrele and Dr. Uma Rele. Sonali is a graded artist of Doordarshan. She has regaled audience at national and international dance performance. She has won accolades and awards at all national and international arena. Since last 7 years, she is a much respected and appreciated faculty of the Fine Arts Music School Chembur. Under her, 35 students have done their 7 years of Bharatanatyam course, and she was felicitated as the Most Promising Teacher of the Year award at the Fine Arts Music School Year 2020. Sonali is a multi-talented young lady. Along with performing exquisite dance recital and teaching, she is also a good actress. She has told me don't say so much, but I need to mention this. She adorned the stage with the lead actress in one of the most famous Marathi drama, Yada Kadachit, and she has also been in top 5 contestants as for the Maharashtra Times beauty pageant. I now request Ms. Bharati Shetty to present a token of love and respect towards Sonali ma'am. I now request Sonali to say a few words.
Namaste to all. As usual, I'm not ready for this, but yeah, I have to say something. First of all, thank you so much for coming, all of you here. All the dignities, all the Rasikas, my students. Thank you so much for coming. 7 years ago, when I joined this, they all are very small. And my journey started with them, along with them actually. So they are also in first year. I was also first year teaching. As a teacher, this is my first job as a teacher, first batch. Yeah, I have not taught anything before this. So yeah, I have learned so many things, and thank you so much, Fine Arts Committee. They have support me for everything. Like every time I called Hema ma'am, I need this, I want this, and she is okay. You do it. I'm there. You do it. Even sir, Venkat sir, and there are other people also. Thank you so much. Bharti, yeah. So when I joined 7 years ago, I was very small. Like still, I'm very small. Not that my age is, yeah. So these people, I have elder than me, my students. I have 4, 5, 7, 8, I think. So they used to tell me, ma'am, it's okay, बच्चे हैं सीख जाएंगे, आप इतना मत टेंशन ले लो. I used to get very hyper कि क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, करो ये वो, because I was also like teaching first year and I want perfect. मुझे नहीं पता था बच्चे हैं, थोड़ा टाइम जाएगा. So yeah, so they all used to tell me ki, ma'am, it's okay, don't take tension, they will do it. There are so many, like I can see Uma here, yeah, Rashmi hai, one of the, Savita was my student, her Bharti sisters, Savita, she also joined along with her. So after third year, she just left. But ये मुझे बताते थे कि मैम हो जाएगा इतना टेंशन मत लो. So yeah, that's we started our journey and we ended last year, 7th year, and so many memories are there. बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए. I don't want to say everything. We are running late. So thank you so much and all the best for your future, Bharti. Don't stop dancing. I know she's very hardworking. बहुत सब कुछ अकेले manage कर रही है. She is handling alone everything. It's really remarkable. Where are you, Bharti? I'm so proud of you and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Well, I have not prepared a formal speech, but this is a very emotional period because I completed 7 years of Bharatnatyam, which was my childhood dream. So it is a dream come true, I will say, because something that I wished from very long time, and today I am performing on stage. So yes, I would be thankful to Sonali ma'am for bearing us. And and she has become patient, I will say. She's learned. No, she has improved on her patience level. I'll agree to it, and we have seen her journey too, along with ours. So thank you, ma'am, for being there and guiding us in this journey. And today I would like to also thank the musical group, because without them definitely this was not possible. I know last moment there were certain hiccups. So I would like to also specially thank Shalaka Thai, who actually designed the brochure at a very last moment. She saved me from disaster. And another thank you to my guru, Gayatri Thai, who has also been my inspiration and always been a guidance. I am learning Kathak from her. This is my fifth.
Trying to classical dance styles.
So this is my 5th year that is with her, and I'm taking that journey little slow. But yeah, I will continue to dance so. And thank you, audience. Thank you, my family, especially my mom, dad, my siblings who are there today to encourage me, and family members, rest of the
Call them.
Yeah. So I would like to call my mom and dad. Amma. No, I would like to call them on stage because I want to just felicitate them too. So they have never stopped me in doing anything in the life. So they have always been my support system. So that is something that I really look forward in the parents. So thank you. Thank you for being here today, being part of my Arangetram. I'm really happy to see you, each one of you all. So thank you once again from bottom of my heart.
Please give.
I missed thanking one more person, that is Akshay Moge, who has been there helping me out, okay, in this journey. So thank you once again, Akshay.
I now apologize for deviating very slightly for a short time from this Arangetram performance, but it is very important to appreciate the students and encourage them. Last year in October 2023, first batch of Sonali ma'am completed their 7-year course successfully, and the cherry on cake is that all 32 students passed with A grade. The Bharatnatyam dance exam, which is affiliated to Nalanda Dance Research Center. So now I call them one by one and request
Guest.
to felicitate them.
Sir, you also please come. Sir, come.
Please, sir. We insist.
I call the name, please come on the stage. Maithili. Maithili. Hello. Yeah, please come. Where is Maithili? Maithili is not here. Uma. Achal. Radha. Please remove your footwear and come, girls. Sir, we will take later on group photo. Sir, we'll take. Swara, please come forward, girls. Swara Mayekar.
Radha is here.
Girls, wait on the stage only. I need to click on the picture. Arya. Trisha. Rushika. Nivedya. Antara. Sakshi. Bharti. Call Bharti. Tamashmi. Sara. Aditi. सौम्या, भारती, where were you, मैथिली, श्रावणी, श्रावणी जाधव, नुपुर, अक्षरा, स्वरा, स्वरा अशोक, not you अक्षरा, श्रेयसी and अक्षरा भानुशाली. This अक्षरा, you come. Take this and then give it to her. Akshara. Maithili, I have not given you. Maithili. Please come inside. Let's take a group picture. Yes, yes, please. Sit, sit, sit. Okay. Program will happen, but without Sutradhar, we cannot move ahead. We cannot start anything. So, thanks to my friend. She's my best friend, Pranali. And for the last minute, I called her 2 days ago. Please, I need you. Like she was like, okay, chal fine. Bata kya kya hai. And thank you so much, Pranali, for. Yeah, thank you. Please clap for her.
Can we please dim the lights of the audience? Thank you. We now take forward the Bharatnatyam repertoire. Next, we present before you Javali. Javali is a pure Abhinay item. Unlike other items, Javali generally does not include any lord as the Nayaka. It showcases regular mundane life of common people and their love relations. Thus, it becomes very relatable and interesting for the Rasikas, as Javali also has lilting music, making it more enjoyable. Javali, set to Ragam Kapi, Talam, Adi.
సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమిది కాదురానా సామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమిది కాదురానా సామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమిది కాదురా నా సామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమిది కాదురా నా సామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను వితతప్పు కనుకొని ఈ వేళ నాతో విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను విరసములోన విరసములోన ఇంటి వారులు నన్ను 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 వితతప్పు కనుకొని ఈ వేళ నాతో వితతప్పు కనుకొని ఈ వేళ నాతో సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమిది కాదురా నా సామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు వెన్నెలలాగ కాదురా నికముక ఇటు చేసేటి కాదురా నీక వెన్నెలలాగ కాదురా నికముక ఇటు చేసేటి కాదురా కాదురా ఈ వీధిలో వచ్చేవారులు కత్తు చేసి కాదూర కాదూర ఈ వీధిలో వచ్చేవారులు కాదూర ఈ వీధిలో కాదూర ఈ వీధిలో వచ్చేవారులు 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 తత్తు చేసి నవ్వేటి ఇదు కాదూర తత్తు చేసి నవ్వేటి ఇదు కాదూర సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సమయమీది కాదూర నా స్వామి సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సరసములాడే ఎందుకు సరసములాడే ఎందుకు
Didn't you enjoy this performance? Next, we present before you Tilana. Tilana is the concluding item of the repertoire. It has great postures and very intricate footwork. It is generally in a fast tempo, lifting the energy of the whole event. Tilana, set to Ragam Revati and Talam Adi. Tilana will be followed by Mangalam, the final presentation where the dancer shows her gratitude towards everyone. Presenting before you Tilana, followed by Mangalam.
ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తధీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తధీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తధీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా దిత్తిల్లానా తిల్లానా తనదిరన ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా ధీం ధీం తదీం ధీం తదీం తదిరనా ధీం ತರಿ ತಕುಂ ತರಿ ಕುಕುಂ ತರಿ ತಾಂ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತರಿ ಕುಕ್ಕುಂ தரி ரச்சம் தரி தக்கஜம் தரி தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தாம் தக்குந்தரி குக்குந்தரி தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தளாங்கு தும் தித்தளாங்கு தும் தத்தித்தளாங்கு தும் தகதிக்கு தளாங்கு தோம் ததீங்கிணத்தும் 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 தீம் தீம் ததீங்கிணத்தும் 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 தீம் ததீங்கிணத்தும் 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 தீம் தீம் ததீம் தீம் ததீம் தனிரனா தித்தில்லானா தில்லானா தனதிரன தீம் தீம் ததீம் தீம் ததீம் தனிரனா தித்தில்லானா தில்லானா தனதிரன தீம் தீம் ததீம் தீம் ததீம் ததிரனா தீம் ததிரனா தீம் ததிரனா ஆ सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते शरण्ये त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नमस्कार.
With this, we have come to the end of the program. I would like to thank the Fine Arts Society and the Fine Arts Music School Chamber for providing the amazing auditorium and space for today's recital. I thank the chief guests for gracing this occasion with their presence, the amazing Vadya Vrinda for making this morning and afternoon soulful, our technical support team on lights and sound for making this event colorful, our lovely audience for encouraging the performer wholeheartedly. Come on, wholeheartedly. And a very big thank you to every person out there who made this event so successful and memorable. Thank you. Okay. There's lunch outside, so I request everybody to please have the lunch and then proceed. Thank you.